And we're back. Just another quick unpackaging video here. This came from Ronnies Fiche. And what this is more parts necessary for doing the floorboards. So clevis pins, springs, E-clips. So everything you see here cost me $23 shipped, $23.40, something like that with tax. So local dealer, of course, didn't have them in stock. They never seem to have anything in stock that I need anymore. So just right straight to Ronnie's, put it in the shopping cart, and bang, 2 days later, here it is. So all I need now is my floorboards. Haven't decided which ones I want. I really would prefer Softail Slim. The Half Moon in black is really what I'd like to put on it. But I may have to settle because I'm not going to spend $250 for a used set of floorboards. So they have these aftermarket ones on eBay and Amazon, and I might just settle for a set of those. So we'll see. In the meantime, more parts. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.